Guess what? Guess what, guys? I didn't get a chance to do my makeup yet, but it's okay. I'll do that later. But guess what, guys? Guess what? It has arrived. The desk is here. I'm so excited. Because now I get to put it together. So, stay tuned, guys. Let's get this put together. Okay? I'm so excited when I got here. Hi guys. Fortunately, I did not need the toolbox. This did come with its own Ollie wrench with the screws. I'm going to show you the bag. That's the bag with the screws and Ollie wrench, and that's the instructions. And these are 4 pieces that I'm going to put together really quickly. That's baby boy sitting there doing his schoolwork and watching me at the same time. And now I'm just setting up like the picture on the illustration, and it was really easy once I got that set up. Then I just took and started putting the screws in place, but not tighten them up. I just, as you can see, taking them out of my upper pocket is what I call it, and I'm just, like I said, putting the screws in place because I want to make sure that everything is straight and tightened before I actually tighten up all the screws. And so it was very easy to put together, and with this video you'll see me dressed in 2 different types of clothing, because actually this is the desk that came by itself. I'm finishing up with the screws, tightening up the screws now. And now I'm about to, after I'm done with this part, yes, I put that part up, the legs up, so that I can go get the desktop that is the top of the desk. And now I have to attach the legs to the top. And like I said, I just attached the screws and tightened them when I got everything set in place. And it was really easy. And like I said, I did purchase a lamp also to go with the desk. They did come separately, so I did put these together on 2 separate days. But here's little man, he's helping me out, helping me taking off the wrapping. And like I said, it was really easy. I didn't run into any problems with the lamp until at the end. Little man's helping me clean up the mess, because you have to clean as you go, of course. Now he wants to just see what it looks like, and he's going to put it back down and just go about his business. And now I'm just putting this together. It was really awkward because of the way it's shaped, but my daughter came and she helped me out, so that was a blessing. I was very appreciative about that. And we finally got it together. And now we're about to add, we're just tightening up all the screws on the top, because it was like a little awkward. And that's little man, he wants you all to see him. So now I'm tightening the screws on the bottom, and we're done with that. We're adding the light bulbs, and the lampshade is where we ran into problems putting it on. That part is edited out, but we got it together, and voila, here you are, the lamp. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my office space, guys. This is my office space. It is ready.
I need another paper. Oh.
My office space is ready, guys. How do you like it? Comment below. I'd like to thank everyone for taking out the time to come to my channel. If you are new, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.